Hello students, I am Rohitas Singh Chauhan and we are discussing on the topic of diffusion and oxidation. In diffusion and oxidation, we have reached to oxidation. Oxidation is one of the important thermal process which add oxygen to the silicon dioxide on the wafer. Now within the table all of you are watching that we are having differences between dry oxidation and wet oxidation. These differences are on the behalf of lower growth rate, comparatively high growth rate in wet oxidation. We are having oxide film quality is better in dry oxidation. Oxide films are porous to impurity penetration in wet oxidation, used for screen oxide, pad oxide, and gate oxide, the dry oxidation, and in wet oxidation used for thick oxide for masking. Results in higher density oxide, the dry oxidation, whereas in wet oxidation, low dielectric strength is there. Now we are having Deal-Grove model of oxidation. Deal-Grove model of oxidation is on the behalf that we are having interfaces of gas, oxide, and silicon is there. We are having depth of oxide is D, and F1, F2, and F3 are the fluxes. So F1 represent the flux from bulk of gas phase to gas oxide interface. F2 flux across the existing oxide layer to silicon. F3 flux when oxidizing species react at Si-SiO2 interface. For steady state condition, all three fluxes are equal. F1 is equals to F2 is equals to F3. Assume d0 is equals to di, so the equation can be given as d0 square plus ad0 is equals to bt plus tau. Now when t is 0, the equation reduces to d0 square plus ad0 is equals to b tau, and tau can be given as d0 square plus ad0 by b, and for di it would be represented as di square plus adi upon b. Now consider a equation d0 square plus ad0 minus b t plus tau is equals to 0. Taking roots of this equation by the formula minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So the roots come as d0 is equals to minus a upon 2 plus minus a by 2 under root 1 plus 4b by a square t plus tau. Taking the positive sign of the root, we are having d0 is equals to a by 2 1 plus t plus tau a square by 4b raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1. Now d0 by a upon 2 can be written as 1 plus t plus tau a square by 4b 1 by 2 minus 1. For long oxidation time, T is very greater than tau, and T is also very greater than a square upon 4ab, a square upon 4b. So d0 by a by 2 is equals to 4b a square t 1 by 2 raised to power 1 by 2. So d0 is equals to bt, which is called parabolic law. Here b is called parabolic rate constant. For short oxidation time, t plus tau is very less than a square upon 4b. So the equation become d0 by a upon 2 is equals to 1 plus 1 upon 2 t plus tau upon a square up by 4b plus higher order terms minus 1. By neglecting higher order terms, as numerator is very smaller than the denominator, so higher order terms are neglected. Now we are having the equation in our hand d0 by a upon 2 1 plus 1 upon 2 t plus tau divided by a square by 4b minus 1. The final equation comes 1 upon 2 4b by a square t plus tau. So after cancellation, we got d0 is equals to b upon a t plus tau. It is called linear law, and b by a is called linear rate coefficient. So this is the all about linear rate coefficient. Now it is a linear law. That's why it is called as linear rate constant. Now our next slide shows the structure of SiO2. In structure of SiO2, it can be thought of as four oxygen atoms sitting at the corners of a triangular polyhedron. In the center of polyhedron is a single silicon atom. Thus, each of four oxygen atoms is covalently bonded to the silicon atom, satisfying the silicon valency shell. If each oxygen atom is a part of two polyhedra, the valency of the oxygen would also be satisfied, and a regular crystal structure called quartz would be the result. In fused silica, there are two kinds of oxygen atoms: bridging oxygen atoms, non bridging oxygen atoms. In bridging oxygen atoms, these are bonded to two silicon atoms, whereas non bridging oxygen atoms are those which are bonded to only one silicon atom. So this is the structure of the SiO2 given in the figure. We are having oxygen and silicon atoms. The physical structure of SiO2 consists of silicon atoms sitting at the center of oxygen polyhedra. So this is all about structure of SiO2. Thank you.